Okay, so guys, for today, what we are going to do is making some science experiment. Why I said some? Because we are not going to do just one experiment, but we are going to make two science experiments. But before that, before we are going to the main course, we are going to sing and dance together, okay? Now, everyone, please stand up. Follow me, okay?
Come on, everybody, let's do some fast and slow things together. We are jumping up and down, jumping up and down. We all are jumping up and down, jumping up and down, jumping up and down. We all are jumping up and down, we're jumping up and down, jumping up and down. We all are jumping up and down, jumping up and down, jumping up and down. We all are jumping up and down. We are bending over, bending over. We all are bending over, bending over, bending over. We all are bending. We are running really fast, running really fast. We all are running really fast, running really fast, running really fast. We all are running really fast, we're running really fast, running really fast. We all are running really fast, running really fast, running really fast. We all are running really fast. We are hiding our eyes, hiding our eyes. We all are hiding our eyes, hiding our eyes, hiding our eyes. We all are hiding. We are swimming in the water, swimming in the water. We all are swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. We all are swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. We all are swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. We all are swimming in the water. We are climbing a ladder, climbing a ladder. We all are climbing a ladder, climbing a ladder, climbing a ladder. We all are climbing. We are bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. We all are bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. We all are bouncing up and down. We're bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. We all are bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. We all are bouncing up and down. We are falling to the ground, falling to the ground. We all are falling to the ground, falling to the ground, falling to the ground. We all are falling to the ground. Yes, we did it. Yes, we did it. Oh, yes, we did. Yes, we did it. Yes, we did it. Hooray! Yes, we did.
Okay. Thank you so much. So now, I'm going to tell you what are we going to do. So for the first science experiment, it is called magic swirling milk. Yeah, so it is magic swirling milk. Okay, so what you have to do is to pour the milk. Let's pour the milk into the tray. Yeah, pour the milk into the tray. Don't pour too much, just pour enough milk. Yeah, let me show it to you. Please pour it by yourself, little by little. And the second step is to add this food coloring to the milk. Just pour a little bit, little by little. Don't pour too much, yeah? Don't pour too much. Just add this food coloring little by little. I'm going to pour the yellow one first. I'm going to pour this food coloring. And then I'm going to add another food coloring. I'm going to use the blue one. And then after that, I'm going to add the red. Oh, not the red. The green one. The green one. I'm going to add it here. Okay. And because I have 4, then I will pour the red one too. Okay. So after we have done, please take your Q-tip, and then dip your Q-tip to the liquid soap. Okay, now I'm going to dip this Q-tip. Where is it? Now. To the soap. And then let's see the magic. Let's see the magic. Let's do it together, guys. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Nah, see? The magic happens already. Wow, see? With my Q-tip, I'm going to swirl the water. Wow, you guys can swirl the water slowly, like this. Yeah, you can swirl the milk like this. Slowly, guys. Slowly, just slowly. So you can make a marble milk. See, it looks like marble. It's beautiful, right? Ooh, see, it's very beautiful. Okay, so guys, do you know why it can happen? Do you know why it can happen? Yeah, so I'm going to explain a little bit about this science experiment to you. So guys, milk. So guys, milk consists of water, fat, and protein. Yeah. So milk consists of protein, fat, and water, and they are holding on together. And when you put the liquid soap on it, the liquid soap will break their hold, and then it will disperse the food coloring to the milk like this. Yeah. Oh, see, it's still reacting. See, my milk is still reacting like this. Okay, guys. Blooming water lily. What we are going to do first is coloring the water lily. Let's color the water lily with this water-based marker. You guys can color it whatever you want. I'm going to color it with the red marker. You guys can draw any pattern that you want. So here, Miss Laras is making this kind of pattern. So here I am making this kind of pattern with my water lily. Done with my flowers. It looks cute. Have you done? Okay, now if you guys have done coloring, let's fold this water lily together. Yeah, let's fold the petals like this. Now let's fold the petals one by one. Now see, I'm going to fold this flower like this. Can you see it? I'm going to fold the petals one by one like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, so we will have this folded flower like this. Folded flower like this. Yeah? Okay. Please do it for the rest of the flower. Now I'm going to fold my second flower. I'm going to do it the same, like this. Fold it one by one. If you have done folding this, now let's pour the water into the tray. If you have done pouring the water, let's add the food coloring. Add the blue food coloring to the water. Just put a little bit of it, yeah? Just put a little bit of it. So now let's put the leafers. Let's put the leafers to the tray. Let's put this together. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then now let's put this water lily inside the tray. Let's do it together, yeah. 1, 2, 3, and see the magic happens. Ooh, I'm going to put all of them. See? Wow. What happened with the flower? What happened with the flowers? They are blooming. Yeah, can you see? They are all blooming so beautifully. What about your flower? See, my flower here, all of them bloomed beautifully. Wow, Sharing's flowers are also blooming so beautifully. When too. And you guys can see here the water-based marker here is also about to mix with the water. Yeah. Now everyone, if we already done with our flowers, I'm going to explain it to you a little bit about this. So, do you know why the water lily can bloom beautifully like this? Anyone knows? This water lily is made from paper, yeah? This water lily is made from paper, and paper is made from fibers. It's made from fibers, yeah? And when the fibers absorb the water, yeah, when you put water or you put the paper inside the water and it absorbs the water, the fibers inside the paper is swelling. That's why the flower can open up beautifully like that. Yeah, because it absorbs water. The fiber inside the paper absorb the water. That's why the flower can bloom beautifully like that. Okay, do you like this science experiment? Do you like it? Yes, okay. If you like it, I'll see you again tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye,
See you
everyone.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.